This video is sponsored by ABU Games, Alpha Beta Unlimited. They have quick and easy ordering, excellent and prompt communication. They offer a wide array of Magic the Gathering, gaming supplies, tabletop games, specialty items, painting supplies. Go ahead and check them out at abugames.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Star Wars Shatterpoint. This is an iconic Star Wars Galaxy Clash in this new miniatures skirmish game. It releases on June 2nd, 2023. We got a core set via a local game store. Thank you to ABU Games. We will be unboxing, assembling the miniatures, and doing a prime to get ready for painting. This is ABU Games demo set before the release, and I hope everyone enjoys this extra special video before the release date. We have the Star Wars Shatterpoint core rules that is included in the box. Here's a quick reference on the back. I won't show you all the pages, but here's a quick glance at the nice full color pages. If you would like to access the rules before you get your Shatterpoint set, they're available on Atomic Mass Games website. In the box is also included a couple diorama backgrounds that they want you to use for your models. A couple different sceneries. What you can do is bend the bottom portion of the cardboard and set up your miniatures and take photos. Here is the token sheet that comes in the box, the front, and also the back. Here are the 12 unit stat cards, Ahsoka Tano, the front, and also the back with the full art. Bo-Katan is next up. We have Clan Kryze, the Mandalorians. General Anakin Skywalker. Captain Rex. The 501st Clone Troopers. Lord Maul. Gar Saxon, Merciless Commander. Mandalorian Super Commandos. Asajj Ventress, Sith Assassin. Kalani, Super Tactical Droid. And finally, B-1 Battle Droids. We have the 12 stance cards that go with the unit stat cards as well. There is 14 order cards that also include Shatterpoint cards that you will see in the very back. Looks like a shattered glass. Here is the 1 mission card and 9 struggle cards to use during your games. We have the struggle tracker that is included with its struggle tokens and 14 dice. Up next we have our range tools that is included in the set, along with the movement tools. Some of these are similar to what you see in Marvel Crisis Protocol, and there's some different ones. Moving on to the character sprues. It comes with 2 large sprues for the characters, as you can see here. Really enjoy the detail and the quality in these. Let's see how they assemble. Here are the different bases that it comes with in the set. Moving on to the terrain sprues, this core set comes with a significant amount of terrain, which is very helpful when starting to play this game. This sprue also has a Lothal cat that you can put together for some terrain. Starting with a time lapse, let's put together the characters first. While putting together these miniatures, I found that they were relatively easy to put together, and the instructions can also be found on Atomic Mass Games' website right now. The only thing I would say is be careful with the B1 battle droids. They're probably the more difficult miniatures to assemble in this set. Otherwise, everything is pretty straightforward. Also, the smoke trails from the jetpacks, such as Bo-Katan, are a little fragile, so just be careful with that. At this point, all the miniatures were assembled, and it is now time to stick them on their bases. Here are all the miniatures assembled. I primed these models with Citadel's White Scar spray paint, and it turned out very clean, as you can tell, and these are now ready to be painted. Here is the magnificent terrain all assembled. I used Citadel's Lead Belcher spray primer on all of this terrain as a first coat. I then followed that by a small spray of gray cere in certain areas, as you can see here. And I then used White Scar spray primer in a more limited area to make this metal and the gantries on this terrain really pop. I call this terrain about 80% done. At this point, you could varnish it and be done and start playing your game with the terrain. Or you could take the extra steps and paint small details to your convenience. I am very impressed with Atomic Mass Games and Star Wars Shatterpoint. I can't wait to start painting all the miniatures. Please stay tuned to the channel for that. And thank you again to ABU Games for allowing me to put this set together for them. Have a great day, everybody.